to today's video. Have you ever gotten that product in the mail or from a friend and you were just not sure what to do with it? It might be a little bit out of your comfort zone, a little bit out of the box for you. I got such product. It is the Crime Diamoncrushers in the color Lid. I loved it. I thought it was beautiful. It swatches like a dream. Kind of like a duo chromey color. Little pinks, maybe some oranges, but amazing colors. And I wanted to come up with a great inspired look to do with it. Wasn't sure, put it on the back burner, and I got inspired today. And I came up with this look. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I've zoomed you in, and I'm going to start off with my favorite palette of the moment. Well, one of many. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam. It has really great colors in there for transitions. And I'm going to start off by using, let's use this guy. This is the Morphe M505 brush. And I'm just going to lay down orange soda as my transition color. It's this beautiful light orange matte. And I've pretty much like it sounds, orange soda. It's a very soft color. And I'm just going to apply that in my crease. And remember, tilt your head back. Lay down a nice base color. And this transition color is just to make the other ones go on smoother. It's not meant to be a show-through kind of color. But so now that you see that base color is kind of laid down just in the crease to make the other colors go on smoother, I'm going to jump over to my Karity palette. And this is the Karity Matte palette. This one is fantastic for bright colors. And I'm going to be working in some orange and pinks today and then laying down that sparkly color on the lid after everything else is done. So first off, I'm going to go into this, follow up that beautiful orange color with this one. And this one has names. I think this one is called Spring Break. The colors are on the back. So if I'm reading correctly, I'm going in with Spring Break using the same Morphe M505 brush and just going just a little bit above where that transition color is. Next, I'm going to follow it up. Sticking in that same family, I'm going to go just beneath that to NSFW. It's a deeper orange color, and I'm going to go in the crease with that one. And I'm going in with a Morphe brush that came in a collection. How pigmented that is. Oh, just going in the crease with that. I'm going to have to blend that out a little bit, because that is not what I expected. But Karity shadows are just, they don't get their just due, man. They are really great shadows. See how fantastic that looks? And I'm just going to go in with a little no-name kind of stippling short brush and just blend that out a little bit. Soften up the edges and the inside. Tilt that head back. So you can see I just kind of blended that out a little bit just to soften up the lines. Next, I'm going to go in with the lid color, and I'm going to use, where are you, my little friend? Oh, this guy's nice. Use this big fluffy NYX two-sided brush, and I'm just going to use this flat-ended side on there, and I'm going to pack a little pink on my lid because I think that's going to look fabulous with that. And that is the color Shameless. Shameless. Yup. Yes, we're going with a very neutral eye color today, ladies. And I'm just going to pack that pink color on my lid. And if you're like me and you like to do some of those wilder, more standout colors, don't be afraid of color. You can mix it in with some neutral tones and turn it into an everyday look. I'm lying. Just like I like that. Now, since this is all about the eye look, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup, zoom you out, and I'll be right back. Alright, full face of makeup is done. I used my trusty Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Foundation. Blush is the Pixie by Petra in the shade Beach Rose. Love this color. Highlight, popping with the Master Chrome by Maybelline. Contour is the Ibby. I use this in my Son Chooses My makeup video, which you can see. And I love my Eco Tool sponge along with my Tarte sponge. So now we're going to go back into eyes, and I'm going to start with using this little brush. It's by The Vintage. I think it came in my, not my Ipsy, it came in my BoxyCharm last month. It was really great. Little set of 3 and they're fantastic, but this is the little flat one. It is step 1 for the money, it says on there. It's so cute. But it's a little bit of a flat, smaller brush than the last one. And I'm going to go into a little bit deeper pink color. I'm going to use this one, which is called Lexus. And I'm going to go under the eye to finish up this look. And I start at the outer edge and just smudge that on in. Loving these bright colors today. And I'm going to let those be the star of the show. The lips are going to be super neutral. And on the other side. Liner, I'm going to use my Loreal Voluminous Smoldering eyeliner. And this is in the color black. And I just do this by use a beauty sponge and just gently press on your lower lid just to, you see that line pop out right there. And this is the water line, so we're just going lightly in that. I can't go without a black liner. I'm sorry. I don't care what kind of look I'm doing. I need black in there. Might even mix it. Oh, I got a great idea. Do the same thing on the other side, and then I'll tell you what my idea is. So I just went lightly with that, and now I'm going to go back in. I have this Wet n Wild body crayon that I use sometimes in the waterline. I'm going to mix it with that black and kind of get like a little graying effect. So let's try and see what it comes out to. Just to soften that up. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Perfect. See how it just kind of mixed in there? This isn't made for the waterline, but it just seems to stay in there really good. Can you see that? Really like that. I'm just going to go back in with what's left on the brush, that little vintage brush, and just smooth that in with the gray and the white there. Ooh, look at that. That almost made it like this purpley. Oh my God. I love this. I'm done. I can retire now. Nope. First I gotta use this bad boy. The Lime Crime Diamoncrushers, and this is in the shade Lit. Just gonna take this kind of going from the inner corner and just bring it out just a little bit here. Just brought in inner corner, and then I'm just gonna smudge it out a little bit with my finger. Girl. Once I blended it out a little bit, it became like this gold. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see this. This is inspired. Hold on one second. Yeah, so I'm really enjoying how this came out. You see the black and the white blended perfectly together, and then when I put that pink in there, it turned it completely purple. And that top lid, hello, little speck of gold, yellow, pink shimmer, oh, to die for. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I finished up using my Loreal Voluminous Base Mascara, and it just gives me like a little fibers for my mascara to stick to, which is, today is the Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. Love this mascara. Even by itself without the base, it's amazing. Just makes my eyelashes look so much longer and fuller. For lips, I'm using the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip in the shade All Natural Nude. It allows the eyes to be the star of the show today. And of course I added a little bit more highlighter and needed some fun frilly hair to complete this look. Well, that concludes this video for today. Thank you so much for watching, angels, and I'll see you next time.